Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today I got some Happy Mail, and it might seem a little small, but what's inside is very cool. So I got business cards, and I'm very excited about them. I'm excited to finally have some business cards with my actual name on them rather than my dead name. So that's a very big moment to me because I had a card before that had my dead name, and so I was scratching out. Literally, when I gave my business card, I would scratch out my old name and I would write my new name, and it just looked kind of janky. So, without further ado, here is my new card. It says Ian is a weirdo, where weird is welcome. And it says custom orders available. It has my Etsy, my Venmo, my Cashapp, just in case people want to buy stuff off me right there. And then it has my email address. I changed, or I didn't have a logo before, so I decided to go with this happy, like droopy, kind of psychedelic, happy face. Because, and you can't see, but his mouth is like, just like that. And yeah, it's very cool. I'm gonna be kind of rebranding, I don't know, my stuff, to have this logo on it. I got the glossy cards. I went with Vistaprint just because they're the company that I know. There are probably cheaper options out there. But I got 100 cards, which I think I should have for a while. I've never actually gone through an entire set of business cards. So what I like about the gloss is it just has like a nice smooth finish to it. What I don't like about the gloss is that it does show like fingerprints and stuff like that. So, but that's okay. But I plan on having this for the upcoming yard sale, and also just having it in my wallet to be able to show people. So this is a very exciting Happy Mail for me, and I know it might not be as exciting for you because you guys all know me and know how to get a hold of me. But I didn't put my YouTube information on it. I toyed with that idea. I figured if people wanted to see me on YouTube, then I could tell them about it. And literally my channel name is on the top of the card. So because if you look at the URL of my YouTube, it's got my dead name in it, and I really wanted to move past that. And yeah, so I am very happy with these cards. They turn out exactly what I want. I created the design through Canva, the app, and then I use that design to go on a Vistaprint card. So so I'm very happy with them. They look great. They're definitely me. They're black and orange and gray, and it's just everything that I wanted. So the only thing that would have been cooler is if I could have figured out how to make the smiley face like acid green. That was kind of my goal, but for some reason when I pasted in the picture, it only did black. So that's okay. It just is what it is. So yeah, so I am really happy with how these cards turned out. And who knows, if you're lucky, you may end up with one of these one day, if you buy something from me. So I love you guys, and hope you enjoy them.